everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Tram, 22 years old, and I'm from Bình Phước Province. I'm about to graduate from Ho Chi Minh City University of Education with a degree Educational Psychology in 2025. I have been working in Honeycomb Vietnam for 1 year. Honeycomb Vietnam is a global company that specializes in producing and supplying beer. It's well organized and provides good benefits for employees. In my job, I have to support local and international customers and often communicate with foreigners. So I need to improve my English to perform better. I have been learning English for 3 months, and I already feel more confident when talking with foreigners. My pronunciation has also improved. Currently, I am studying English every day. I practice listening and speaking for at least 30 minutes a day. Learning English has helped me realize that I have more opportunities. I will keep trying to improve, and I believe in that hard work will pay off.